In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a custom logo in Smartsheet. Branding Setup 2026. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. You can use any modern browser, just make sure it's up to date for the smoothest experience. Now sign into your Smartsheet account. This part is quick. Enter your usual credentials or choose your organization's single sign-on if that's how you access Smartsheet. Once you're in, you'll land on your home page. This is your central hub where you can see recent items, favorite sheets, and quick links. From the home view, look to the left sidebar and click the profile icon. It's the small avatar-style button that opens your personal settings. In the menu that appears, choose personal colors and logo. This is where you can tailor your visual experience. A quick note. Some organizations manage branding at the admin level. If certain options look unavailable, you may need admin access for company-wide branding, but you can still follow along to see where everything lives. Inside that settings area, locate the custom logo section. Before you upload anything, take a moment to read the guidance there. Smartsheet accepts PNG, GIF, or JPG files under 2 MB. Your image may be automatically resized to fit within 300 by 52 pixels. That means a wide, horizontal logo generally looks best, and a transparent PNG often gives the cleanest result. If your logo is very tall or square, consider using a horizontal version so it doesn't appear tiny after resizing. If your file is larger than 2 MB, compress it first to avoid errors. When you're ready, click Select to upload from your computer and choose your logo file. Smartsheet will upload it and show a preview. Look closely at edges and readability. If it seems fuzzy, try a higher resolution source that still meets the size limit. If it looks cropped or too small, adjust the canvas in your image editor so the logo sits comfortably within a roughly 300 by 52 layout, then re-upload. Finally, make sure to click Save. This step is essential. Without saving, your changes won't apply. After saving, your custom logo should appear in the header area across your Smartsheet experience. If you don't see it immediately, refresh your browser. For best results, check how it looks on both light and dark backgrounds and on different screen sizes. That's it. You went to Smartsheet, signed in, opened your profile settings, selected personal colors and logo, found the custom logo area, reviewed the requirements, uploaded your image and saved your changes. Your workspace now reflects your brand, clearly and professionally.